Hello students, in this video you will learn how to find a square root of a perfect square by the prime factorization method. Question number 1. Find the square root of 324. First of all, you will calculate prime factors of 324 using prime factorization method. So here you can see I have calculated prime factors of 324 and I have got 2 times 2, 2 times 3 and again 2 times 3 means 4 times 3. Why I am telling 2 times 2 times? Because here you have to write factors in pairs. You can see here I have written factors in pairs because you are calculating a square root, means you have to represent same factors in the form of a square. Here you can see already you have done these types of work. So by prime factorization we get 324 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and you can see here I have created their pairs. I have written here in pairs using underline sign. Therefore square root of 324 is equal to square root of 2 into 3 into 3 whole square. Because this 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 3 you can write in this form 2 into 3 into 3 into whole square, and since you are placing here a square root and we know we have to balance it, so in the RHS side also I have put here a square root, and a square root and a square cancelled, then 2 into 3 into 3 which is equal to 18. So square root of 324 is equal to 18. Question number 2. Evaluate square root of 11,025. So first of all we will calculate prime factors of 11,025, and you can see after calculating prime factors I have got their factors like 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7, means 2 times 3, 2 times 5, 2 times 7. This 2 times 3, 2 times 5, 2 times 7 you have to write in the form of a square. Here you can see I have written in the form of a square, and then when you place a square root either side of equal to sign, you will get your expression in this form. A square root of 11,025 is equal to a square root under 3 into 5 into 7 whole square. You know a square and a square root can be cancelled. Then you have 3 into 5 into 7 which is equal to 105. Hence a square root of 11,025 is 105. Thank you.